Guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In this video we'll be discussing the concept of inline functions. Firstly, we have to understand it works for less number of statements in function definition, right? It works, and normally what actually happens is that firstly this works where there is no function prototype. Also it works with function definition that is placed over function call. So what you have to do is I'm writing a function void take, and I'm writing it as cout hello, right? That is a statement that I have to display. In the main, what I will write take over here. Guys, it's a very simple fact that if I have to execute this take, by default it will go over here, it will display hello. What if I have to display hello 50 times? So if I'm going to display hello 50 times, so 50 times it will display hello, 50 times I have to call this take function, and by default it will display hello. So it means firstly it goes to function over here, it in the main it gets called, and then it goes over here, it displays hello, then it comes over here. Again, this process, if it is taken in loop, for loop if I have put, so it means 50 times it will display hello. So firstly it goes to take, then it comes over here, again it goes to take, and then it comes over here. It is a time taking process. So even if calling 50 times, I have to use two steps. Firstly, using take, go to function definition, and then come back to function call. So going back to function definition, one step, coming back to function call, two steps. So two steps of calling take 50 times will take 100 steps. So in those kind of scenarios where the statements are pretty less, we use the concept of inline functions. Inline function, what it will do is, it will the moment function is getting called, that called function is going to be replaced by this particular statement. It means this take function, when it is getting called, by default this statement gets pasted in place of function call. You don't need to go to function definition. Even function definition statements get copied in function call, but only with very less statements, like only a single statement. So instead of using 50 for calling take 50 times, I have to use 100 steps for it. So in using inline keyword, we'll place that function definition statement hello in place of function call, and by default it gets called over there only. You don't need to go to function definition first thing. So this is the concept of inline inline functions. They reduce the time, and they are applicable where less number of statements are there. Avoid calling the function again and again. That's how it works. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Kindly share it to maximum audience so that we can reach numbers. Thank you very much.